I remember there was a scholar who said, not too long ago, he says, and I had to ask him why he said this. He says, if you have a phone, you must go through TikTok for a few minutes a day and swipe through to learn good things. Okay. Did you hear what he's saying? Encouraging people to go through TikTok every day for a few minutes. And I sat with him backstage later and I told him, Sheikh, what did you just say? He said, you know how much I've learned from TikTok? I said, that's because your algorithm is relatively clean. You've been learning things. I said, why don't you do yourself a favor? Get one of the youngsters and ask him, can you show me your TikTok? He will not show it to you. I say, why? Because they say, Sheikh, astaghfirullah, what do you want to do there? Right? It's the algorithm is relatively clean. It gets used to what you say around the phone. 2 days ago, I was talking about something and the phone started showing me the same thing because it hears me right now. The phone has now the ability to deliver this lecture that I'm delivering right now. Do you know that? All you got to do is get to that app of the artificial intelligence and say, please deliver a Mufti Menks lecture on this topic, and I promise you it will type it out for you in a short span of time, exactly the way it's delivered by me. It's happening. You might not know about it. It's there. It's there. People use it. And subhanallah. So the reason he was saying this, he felt innocently, rightly so, there is a lot of goodness on TikTok. It's true. But at the same time, the distractions are even more. So you and I cannot say don't use your phone, don't be on Instagram, don't be on TikTok, don't be on Facebook, please don't have WhatsApp, don't even be connected because it's so dangerous. We have to face reality and tell you, listen, I'm giving you a red hot coal. You're going to have to bounce it through your hands and put on the asbestos gloves so that you don't get burned, and make sure you use it in such a way that you will be proud of it on the day of judgment. But that doesn't mean I should tell you divorce yourself from it completely. There goes.